Yes, already installed and running. Feel that airflow. This is the Green Ever 42-inch ceiling fan. Look at these blades, 3 of them. 42 inches, that walnut wood finish is stunning. And this LED light, dimmable with 3 color temperatures: warm, neutral, and cool white. All controlled right from the remote. Instructions in English and Spanish. Now watch this. 6 speeds. Feel the difference between speed 1 and speed 6. That's 3,591 CFM of airflow. Powerful and completely silent. That DC motor makes 0 noise. And now the light changes. Warm white for a cozy feel. Neutral for everyday use. And cool white for bright task lighting. All dimmable to exactly the brightness you want. Reversible motor too. Forward in summer to cool down. Reverse in winter to circulate warm air and save energy. This fan does everything.